Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add picture to plot area of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add picture of plot area. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option, then insert a chart. Now we click the chart, then click of the middle of this chart. Select the plot area, then click right button and go to format plot area. Then select the fill color and choose picture or texture fill. Then insert picture from our file. Then close the window. Then we can see here we added picture to plot area of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.